बहुत भुलक्कड़ हो। You are very forgetful. You are very forgetful. हर चीज़ की हद होती है। There is a limit to everything. There is a limit to everything. मुझे कोई एतराज़ नहीं है। I have no objection. I have no objection. वहाँ जाने का क्या फ़ायदा? It's no use going there. It's no use going there. कोई तुम्हारी जगह नहीं ले सकता। Nobody can take your place. Nobody can take your place. मुझे पैसे की दिक्कत है। I have financial problems. I have financial problems. वह फ़ोन पर बात कर रहा है। He is talking on the phone. He is talking on the phone. आपका घर कितना दूर है? How far is your home? How far is your home? मुझे हल्के में मत लेना। Don't underestimate me. Don't underestimate me. बहुत कम उम्मीद है। There is a very little chance. There is a very little chance. गलती तुम्हारी थी ना कि मेरी। The fault was yours, not mine. The fault was yours, not mine. चुप रहो, तुम कुछ नहीं जानते। Shut up, you don't know anything. Shut up, you don't know anything. वह रोने का नाटक करती है। She pretends to be crying. She pretends to be crying. ज़्यादा उसकी तरफदारी मत करो। Don't favor him too much. Don't favor him too much. मैंने तुम्हें 2 बार बुलाया। I called you twice. I called you twice. मेरी किस्मत खराब है। I have bad luck. I have bad luck. यह एक अपशकुन है। It's an ominous. It is an ominous. दीवार पर मत लिखो। Don't write on the wall. Don't write on the wall. यह कामचोर है। He is a shirker. He is a shirker. दुकानदार ने मुझे लूट लिया। Shopkeeper ripped me off. Shopkeeper ripped me off. मैं कब तक तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा? How long will I stand by you? How long will I stand by you? सुबह से बारिश हो रही थी। It had been raining since morning. It had been raining since morning. मेरी बात किसी ने नहीं सुनी। Nobody listened to me. Nobody listened to me. ये आपकी मेहरबानी है। It's very kind of you. It's very kind of you. मेरा सिर चकरा रहा है। I'm feeling giddy. I'm feeling giddy. मैं आज वहाँ जाने वाला हूँ। I'm supposed to go there today. I am supposed to go there today. तुम्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए। You must be ashamed. You must be ashamed. कृपया थोड़ा और लीजिए। Please have some little more. Please have some little more. समय कितना बदल गया है। How changed the time is. How changed the time is. मुझे पैसे की सख्त ज़रूरत है। I'm in a dire need of money. I am in a dire need of money. वो सारा दिन चुप-चुप सा लगा। He seemed very aloof all the time. He seemed very aloof all the time. ऐसा सोचना भी मत। Don't even think so. Don't even think so. सारी गलती आपकी है। It's all your fault. It's all your fault. काश मैं वहाँ होता। I wish I were there. I wish I were there. वो ठंड से काँप रहा था। He was shivering with cold. He was shivering with cold. मैं गिरते गिरते बचा. I narrowly escaped falling. I narrowly escaped falling. पानी गुनगुना हो गया है. The water has turned lukewarm. The water has turned lukewarm. मेरा वजन काफी बढ़ गया है. I have put on a lot of weight. I have put on a lot of weight. आपको शांत रहना होगा. You need to remain calm. You need to remain calm. गैस जला दो. Ignite the gas. Ignite the gas. तुम्हें तो खांसी हो गई है. You have got a cough. You have got a cough. ये तो होना ही था. This had to happen. This had to happen. मैं थोड़ी देर में आता हूँ. I'm coming in a while. I'm coming in a while. उससे मत देखो. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. धूप सेंक लो. Bask the sun. Bask the sun. मेरा चार्जर नहीं मिल रहा है. I can't find my charger. I can't find my charger. तुम सीख जाओगे. You will learn. You will learn. खाना बहुत स्वादिष्ट था. The food was delicious. The food was delicious. इसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो. You are responsible for this. You are responsible for this. ठंडी चीजें मत खाओ. Don't take chilled eatables. Don't take chilled eatables. माफ कीजिए मैं समय पर नहीं आ सका. I'm sorry I got late. I'm sorry I got late. तुम्हारी छुट्टियां कैसी रही? How were your holidays? How were your holidays? तुम वापस कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? मैं काम में लगा हुआ था. I was busy into some work. I was busy into some work. कान खोल कर सुन लो. You better listen up. You better listen up. मैं उसे धोखा नहीं दे सकता. I can't cheat her. I can't cheat her. शादी कब करोगे? When will you get married? When will you get married? मैं आधे घंटे में निकलूंगा. I will leave in half an hour. I will leave in half an hour. कैसे आना हुआ? What brings you here? What brings you here? उसे हल्का हल्का बुखार है. He has a mild fever. He has a mild fever. यह आपको शोभा नहीं देता. This doesn't behave you. This doesn't behave you. ये तो रोज की बात है. It is everyday occurrence. It is everyday occurrence. मैं जुबान का पक्का हूँ. I am a person of words. I am a person of words. आपने जवाब नहीं दिया. You didn't reply. You didn't reply. स्टार प्लस लगाओ. Turn into star plus. Turn into star plus. मम्मी मुझे पानी चाहिए. Mom, I want water. Mom, I want water. पापा आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? पापा, where are you going? पापा, where are you going? मैं अभी नहीं खाऊंगा. I will not eat now. I'll not eat now. ऐसा दोबारा मुंह से मत निकालना. Don't utter it again. Don't utter it again. तुम ध्यान क्यों नहीं देती? Why don't you pay attention? Why don't you pay attention? आराम से बैठो. Sit at easy. Sit at easy. क्या आप हमारी मदद करेंगे? Will you help us? Will you help us? हमारी कभी किसी ने मदद नहीं की. Nobody ever helped us. Nobody ever helped us. इसे ऐसे नहीं किया जाता. This is not the way to do it. This is not the way to do it. मैंने तुमसे परसों बोला था. I told you the day before yesterday. I told you the day before yesterday. मैं भी कितना बेवकूफ हूँ. What a fool I am. What a fool I am. मैं तुम्हारी तरफ हूँ. I'm on your side. I am on your side. मुझे बस 1 घंटा सोने दो. Let me sleep just for 1 hour. Let me sleep just for 1 hour. तुम्हें ऐसा क्यों लगता है? Why do you feel so? Why do you feel so? मैं देखकर बताता हूँ. I'll tell you after seeing. I'll tell you after seeing. वैसे वो था कौन? By the way, who was he? By the way, who was he? वो बहुत चालाक है. She is very cunning. She is very cunning. मेरा गला बैठा हुआ है. I have a hoarse voice. I have a hoarse voice. जाओ देख कर आओ. Go see and come. Go see and come. कोई अगर मगर नहीं. No ifs and buts. No ifs and buts. आप में बहुत अहंकार है. You are egoistic. You are egoistic. तुम मेरी जिंदगी हो. You are my life. You are my life. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? मैं साफ साफ बोलता हूँ. I'm outspoken. I'm outspoken. अब तुम जा सकते हो. Now you can go. Now you can go. अब मान भी जाओ. Now give in. Now give in. शुरुआत तुमने की थी. You had started it. You had started it. तुम मुझे बहुत सताते हो. You annoy me a lot. You annoy me a lot. सोचना भी मत. Don't even think. Don't even think. फिर कभी चलेंगे. We will go some other time. We will go some other time. मुझे सपने मत दिखाओ. Don't make me have dreams. Don't make me have dreams. बस 5 रुपए की तो बात है. It's only a matter of 5 rupees. It's only a matter of 5 rupees. मैंने तुम्हारे खातिर कहा. I said for your satisfaction. I said for your satisfaction. तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? जहाँ तुम रहते हो. Where you live? Where you live? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? जहाँ तुम जा रहे हो. Where you are going? Where you are going? मुझे पता चला. I got to know. I got to know. क्या तुम्हें चोट लगी? Did you get hurt? Did you get hurt? कृपया निराश न हो. Please don't be upset. Please don't be upset. मोबाइल पर गेम खेलना बंद करो. Stop playing games on mobile. Stop playing games on mobile. कार्टून देखना बंद करो. Stop watching cartoon. Stop watching cartoon. ये केवल एक सोच है. This is just a mindset. This is just a mindset. मैं जॉब ढूंढ रहा हूँ. I'm searching a job. I am searching a job. क्या आप लोग ठीक हो? Are you guys okay? Are you guys okay? तुम घर पे हो क्या? Are you at home? Are you at home? तुम्हें जाना होगा. You have to go. You have to go. उसने जॉब क्यों छोड़ी? Why did he quit the job? Why did he quit the job? मुझे कैसे पता होगा? How would I know? How would I know? अंदर कैसे आए? हाउ डिड यू गेट इन? हाउ डिड यू गेट इन? तुम मुझे बता सकते थे. यू कुड हैव टोल्ड मी. यू कुड हैव टोल्ड मी. अब मैं क्या करूं? व्हाट शुड आई डू नाउ? व्हाट शुड आई डू नाउ? तुम्हारे साथ कौन है? हु इज विद यू? हु इज विद यू? मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है. आई हैव टू टॉक टू यू. आई हैव टू टॉक टू यू. आज तुमने क्या सीखा? What did you learn today? What did you learn today?
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.